How to post stories on Instagram from PC. Make sure to watch this video until the end so you don't make any mistake. Now, in order for us to get this done, I'm just going to go ahead and show you what I have here. As you can see, there's no option for us to add stories here, and then if we are to click this one, there's nothing there as well. So what you are going to do is just right click here, and then you're going to go ahead and look for the inspect. Here in the inspect, you're going to toggle this on. After doing so, you should see that the tools are now here below. Now from this point forward, we're just going to refresh this one, and after doing so, you should be able to see your story here. So you can just click it, and then you can go ahead and basically choose your own photos or whatever you want to post here. Say for example, I'm just going to go ahead and try this one right here. I'm just going to go ahead and close this one, and then I can go ahead and click add to your story. After doing so, you can close this one, and then if you are to click this, you should be able to see it here. And that is how to post stories on Instagram from PC.